one of the problems I think people have with being consistent is they have bad habits, because your habits have got you where you are right now. And if you're looking to change your life, it's going to involve you changing your habits again. If we look at our habits when it comes to money, if we look at our habits of our diet, exercise, if we look at the habits we have with our relationships, you can be guaranteed that the reason they are in the state that they are is because of bad habits that we have. That if we fixed our eating habits, if we fixed our exercise habits, we probably wouldn't have those few spare pounds on our waist. If we change our habits in our relationships, you can be guaranteed our relationships will be better. And I think a lot of people who try to be consistent and can't do it is because the bad habits eventually overtake the good habits that they did for a couple of days, and then they're back to what they used to do before. And so they just don't take action. So what you need to do is you need to realize that if you're going to be consistent, you need to build on those actions. You need to build on those habits until they become part of your life. And you will find that by being consistent, yes, it may be difficult in the start, but the more you're consistent, the more it becomes a habit, the more it becomes part of your day. It'll suddenly become autopilot. Take these videos here, for example. It's going to be hard for me to be consistent for a couple of days recording videos, but there will be some point in the future where I will have no problem showing up here, recording a video. I won't even think about it because it's going to become part of my day. And it's going to be the same for you as well too. Yes, it's going to be tough in the beginning. It's going to be hard to be consistent, but over time, it's going to become part of your day. It's going to become another habit, and you're going to do it automatically. You won't even have to think about it anymore.